Good evening. Welcome back to Public World True Reliable News with your host, Elizabeth Caldwell. And tonight, the program is Food for Fodder, and we're going to talk about the summer of 2026 because we're expecting a super El Nino coming in this summer and shaking everything up. Scientists are warning that a potential, quote, super El Nino is forming, one of the strongest since the 1870s. And what does that mean for you here in America? Well, for one thing, it means that it's not going to be a typical summer following a typical summer report. No, El Nino has other things in mind for it. One of them is that the heat waves will come out of nowhere. It means sudden thunderstorms. It means wildfire conditions in places that don't normally see them. And it means humidity spikes, equipment overheating, and unstable outdoor conditions. And yes, you may have rolling blackouts with an insufficient grid that our government keeps on believing is all right, but it's not. It's very outdated. If you work outside, travel, gardening, sports, film, or just plan picnics or other outside events, this is the summer for you to remain flexible and aware. Weather patterns will shift fast, and the safest plan is to expect the unexpected. And it also means that if you have any pets, dogs, cats, gerbils, squirrels, whatever, you have to make sure that if it gets too hot for you, that it's probably getting to be too hot for them. And unless your doghouse has a portable air conditioner inside, I suggest you bring them into the house to at least that they can cool off, because they can get heat stroke just as easily as you can. So what do you need to prevent it or to take care of yourself? Water bottles. Doesn't matter whether it's hot or cold or warm or tepid. Make sure you keep yourself dehydrated. When you sweat, you lose water. Same thing for your dog or cat or any other kind of animal. Horses, cows. Make sure they have shade. Make sure that they can get somewhere out of the direct sun, and also make sure that they have plenty of water to drink from. Protect your skin, because sun heat will burn your skin if you're not protected. Now, most of the modern sunblocks are waterproof, but some are not, so you may have to reapply, especially to your toddlers. My son was brought up in Houston. He wore a white t-shirt so his skin would not get burned when we went down to the Gulf of Mexico, because it's very easy. Sun refracts off the salt, just letting you know. So be aware, be alert, and remember, have a water bottle handy. Be safe, be aware of your surroundings, and think before you go outside, because it can be and will be a terrific hot summer.